in the Department of Science and Technology at Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today, I am going to take the lecture on the subject named Data Warehousing and Mining. The today's session is Use of Metadata. Topics to be covered are what is metadata and the use of metadata. What is metadata? Metadata is basically defined as the data about data. Okay, so the data that is used to represent other data is known as metadata. Means it is one step below, like it is a sub part, you can say, but we have to elaborate it, that data. So that is called the metadata. Okay, so in terms of data warehouse, we can define metadata as follows, like metadata is the roadmap of a data warehouse. Metadata in the data warehouse defines the warehouse objects. Metadata act as a directory, and this directory helps the decision support system to locate the contents of a data warehouse. Right? Come to the use of metadata. Metadata is used in many areas like tracking. Retailers and online shopping sites use metadata to track consumers' habits and movements. Okay, so digital marketers follow your every click and purchase, storing information about you such as the type of device you carry, your location, the time of the day, and any other data they are legally allowed to gather. Simply, as I have told you many times, that analysis is the most important part in our daily routine, in our the task assigned, or anything which we plan to do. Okay, so what means is the internet or the marketers follow or track all the activities which you perform on the Google web page. Okay, so that Google page stores your history, or in which occasion you particularly search these type of materials, or in normal days you are searching that type of things, because basically they are analyzing the time, the location, and the event, you can say, or any festival time. Okay, so on the basis of the history, they people's, means they are digital marketers, follow your every click, when you purchase this, and on what day are you purchasing very frequently these items, or in particular day or events, like. Okay, so this is all about the tracking. Okay, so this is also used in computer files also. Every file you save on your computer includes some basic information, okay, about your file, so that the operating system understands how to deal with it. Okay, and so that you or someone else can quickly gather from the metadata what the file is. If I am storing my file in txt format, or pdf format, or ppt format, then what does it mean? That other person can easily access the data, because that file is in the form of text file. Okay, so because a song cannot be stored as a text file. Okay, so it will store as an audio file, like, and can be stored in the video format. Okay, so what I mean to say is कि it all depends कि what is basically the type of file, and if you people store and access that file, then someone else, if he or she wish to quickly find out that thing, then they can easily gather the data. Okay, so like for example, in Windows, when you view the properties of file, you can clearly see the file's name, the file type, where it's stored, when it was created and last modified, how much space it's taking up on the hard disk, who knows the file, and more. Means the simply the thing is everything should be cleared when you store, when you modify it, and where your file stores. Okay, so this all information is stored in the system. And another thing is use metadata in social media. Every time your friends, like someone on Facebook listen to music, Spotify recommends for you, post a status or share symbols to it, metadata is at work in the background. Okay, so Pinterest users can create boards of related articles because of metadata stored with with those articles. Okay, so this metadata is useful in very specific social media situations, such as when you are looking for someone on Facebook. Then only you can search that name according to the school, according to the nickname, according to the city where he married, according to the city where he joins that job. Okay, so this is all about the use of metadata in social media. And metadata is of course very useful in specific social media situations, such as when you are looking for someone on Facebook. Okay, so you can see a profile image and a store description of the Facebook user to to learn just the basis about them before detecting to a friend them or send them a message. Now come to the metadata and database management. Metadata is a word of database management, might address the size and formatting or other characteristics of a data item. Of course, it is essential to interpreting the contents of database data, like the extensible markup language XML is one markup language that defines data objects using metadata format. Next is if you are talking about the example, if you have a set of data with dates and names which is spread all about, you can't know what the data is representing or what the columns and rows are describing. With basic metadata like common names, and you can quickly glance at the database and understand what a particular set of data is describing, right? So this is all about today's session. This is a question for the practice. What is metadata and describe its usage? Thank you. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. Thank you.